Have you ever wanted to combine hiking with skiing? I'm Brittany with WTI, and these are the generic John Rose mini ski skates. We wanted to hike Mount Shasta, and we thought it would be great to be able to ski down. These skis are so portable, they easily fit in a backpack. You can adjust the size in case you have small feet like me. And what's great is that these can go onto any shoe. You don't have to have specialty shoes. You can put it over your hiking shoes. It fit perfectly for me and my husband. I'm a size 7, my husband's a size 11. It comes with gloves and goggles. We both snowboard and have skied a little bit. These are a little bit different. Definitely had a learning curve, but once we got the hang of it, it was so much fun. They even helped us turn ourselves into human sled. We had such a good time, and it really cut down the time that it normally would have taken if we decided to hike down the traditional way. It can handle so many different types of terrain, to handle all the different bumps, to keep your balance, to be able to control your speed from fast to slow, and can easily turn around completely. These were so much fun to learn, and that's my point of view.